Okey, ada soalan nak tanya saya tak sebelum saya start kuliah petang ni? Ada? Ada soalan?
Tak ada kot.
Tak ada. Okey, tak ada.
Tak ada.
Kalau tak ada, kita teruskan je. Okey, ni macam ulang kaji je sebenarnya kan? Sebab saya dah explain dah 2 minggu lepas ke 3 minggu lepas, saya tak ingat. Okey. So, chapter 3, system of first order linear differential equation. Okey. Dia dikatakan sistem sebab dia ada banyak equation. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, okey, kita ada y1 prime, y2 prime sampai yn prime. Okey. Okey. So,
Doktor, dia macam power system kan?
Macam apa?
Power system.
Power system. Power system. Alamak, saya bukan orang power. Macam mana nak cakap?
Power system pula, power series.
Power system. Dia, okey, dia nak kata power series tu bukan. Okey. Dia sebenarnya macam ni je. Dia power series tu lain. Power series kita start dengan Y sama juga dengan power series dia macam ni. Kalau power series, you ada Y sama juga dengan A not X. Okey, A not X kosong plus A1 X1 plus A2 X2 plus dot. Okey? Ini lain. Okey? Ini lain. Dia bukan power series. Okey? So, you kena ingat, kalau Y1 prime ni, okey, dia punya general equation dia adalah yang ini. Y2 prime yang ini. Yn prime yang ini. Dia mesti macam ni dia punya format cara kita nak tulis. Okey? Cara kita tulis. Okey? So, okey? So, kita ada Y1 prime sama juga dengan A11 Y1 plus A12 Y2 plus okey A1n Yn plus G1x. Okey, ini satu equation. Okey, kalau if you have another equation, okey, another signal Y2, so Y2 prime equals to okey A21 Y1 plus A22 Y2 plus A2n Yn plus G2x. Okay, you can have until n equation. Okay, let's say you have n equation, therefore your equation will be Yn prime equals to an1 y1 plus an2 y2 plus ann yn plus gnx. Okay, so ini adalah kita boleh panggil, we can call it the linear system. Okay, this is how we write the equation. Okay. Okay. So, look at this first example. Okay. Given that a system, okay, consists of two first order linear differential equations. So, it mentioned here two first order linear differential equation. You have y1 and y2. Okay. So, this is y1 prime. So, y1 prime equals to, this one is a11 y1 plus a12 y2 plus g1x. Okay. And this one is y2 prime. So, you have here is a21, a22, g2x. Right. Cuba compare dekat sini. Okay. So, you have here for y1 is a11, a12, a1n and g1. Okay. Y2 is a21, a22, a2n, g2x. Okay. So, this is our system. Okay, we have y1 prime and y2 prime. Okay, so you identify what is a11, what is a12, what is g1x, okay, and so on. Okay, so you have to show that y1x equals to 3 exponent 2x plus exponent 6x minus 4 exponent 3x minus 10 over 3, and y2x equals to minus exponent 2x plus exponent 6x plus 2 over 3. Okay, so these two equations, you have to show that these two equations is the solutions of the system. So macam mana you nak buat? Macam mana you nak buat? How you want to?
Differentiate.
Huh?
Differentiate y1.
Okay, differentiate y1. Kan? Okay, so you differentiate y1, you dapat? Sekejap y1. So y1 is equals to 3 exponent 2x plus exponent 6x minus 4 exponent 3x minus 10 over 3. Okay, so you differentiate this y1 prime, then you will get, you differentiate 3 exponent 2x, you will get
6 exponent 2x.
6 exponent 2x plus with,
6 exponent 2x.
okay, minus with
12 exponent 3x.
minus, ada lagi tak?
0.
Tak ada kan? Okay, so now we differentiate y2. Okay, so we have y2 is minus exponent 2x plus exponent 6x plus 2 over 3. Okay, so we get y2 prime is equal to
Negative 2x.
negative 2
2 exponent 2x.
exponent 2x plus
6 exponent
6
6x.
exponent 6x. Okay, plus 0, right? Betul? Okay, then, okay. So we have here y1 prime. Okay, so y1 prime, okay, is equals to 3y1, okay, and then plus 3y2, okay, and then plus 8, okay, plus 8. Okay, then, okay, we substitute this y1 and y2 inside these equations. Then we have y1 prime equals to 3 times 3 exponent 2x plus exponent 6x minus 4 exponent 3x minus 10 over 3. Okay, plus with 3 here times with y2. So this is our y2 times minus exponent 2x plus exponent 6x plus 2 over 3 and then plus with 8, 8. Okay. Then kita kembangkan his one. So you will get 3 times 3 is 9 exponent 2x plus 3 exponent 6x minus 12 exponent 3x minus 10 minus 3 exponent 2x plus 3 exponent 6x plus 2 plus 8. Okay. So equals to, okay, exponent 2x, 9 minus 3, 6. Betul tak? 9 minus 3. Betul eh? And then we have exponent 6x, exponent 6x. 3 plus 3 is 6 juga. Plus 6 exponent 6x. Okay. And then here we have 12 exponent 3x. So sini tak ada. So minus 12 exponent 3x. Then we have minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Betul? Betul. So sama tak dengan y1 prime yang kita dah bezakan kat atas ni? Here. This one and this one. Is it the same? Sama kan? Okay, so sama. Okay. So kita baru buktikan satu. Now we have to prove another one is y2 prime. Okay, so y2 prime is equals to, okay, so what we have here is apa ni? Y1. Okay, so y1 plus 5y2, y1 plus 5y2, and then plus with 4 exponent 3x. 4 exponent 3x. Okay, so y1. y2 prime equals to y1. What is y1? 3 exponent 2x. Okay, you have here 3 exponent 2x plus exponent 6x minus 4 exponent 3x minus 10 over 3, and then plus 5 y2. So y2 is minus exponent 2x, okay, plus 6, plus exponent 6x plus 2 over 3, okay, and then plus 4 exponent 3x, kan? Okay, so ini kita salin balik je dulu. 3 exponent 2x plus exponent 6x minus 4 exponent 3x minus 10 over 3. Okay, this one kita kembangkan, so we have minus 5 exponent 2x plus 5 exponent 6x plus 10 over 3 plus 4 exponent 3x. Betul tak? Betul tak? Betul, eh? Okay. So now we try to simplify these equations. So exponent 2x, we have 3 minus 5. So here is minus 2, right? Minus 2 exponent 2x. Betul tak? Ke saya salah salin? Betul kan? Kan?
Betul.
Betul, eh?
Betul.
Then exponent 6x, so we have 1 plus 5. So 6, kan? Plus 6 exponent 6x. Okay, and then we have minus 4 exponent 3x. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Betul? Minus 10 over 3 plus 10 over 3 also cancel. Okay, so now we get y2 prime equals to minus 2 exponent 2x plus 6 exponent 6x. Sama tak? Dengan yang ini.
Sama.
Sama kan? Then, okay.
Sama.
Then you can conclude that y1 and y2 is the solutions of the system. Okay, then just write here y1 and y2 is the solution of the system. Okay, habis. Faham? Faham?
Memang sampai situ je jalan kira dia.
Sampai sini je. Sebab dia suruh buktikan je kan. Dia kata buktikan Y1 dan Y2 adalah solution kepada sistem ni. So, kita gantikan je lah. Y1, Y2 masuk dalam equation ni. Dapat sama tak kalau kita differentiate Y1 dengan Y2?
Faham?
Okay. Okay. Next. This one. Homogeneous system of first order linear differential equations. Okay. Remember lagi kan chapter 2 kita ada homogeneous equation. Kan? Ingat tak? You nak cari YC, you kena cari homogeneous part kan? Yang mana you ada AY double prime plus BY prime plus C equals to 0. Betul tak? Ingat tak yang ini?
Betul.
Kan? So, for the system also, we also have homogeneous system and non-homogeneous system. Okay, but the calculation is a little bit complicated compared to the chapter 2 punya part. Okay, so look here. Okay, dia sama je sini. It has 3 cases. Sama juga macam chapter 2. 3 case. Okay, first case is lambda 1 is not equals to lambda 2. Case number 2 is lambda 1 equals to lambda 2. And case number 3 is lambda equals to alpha plus beta I. Okay. Okay, so this is the step how we going to solve the homogeneous system. Ini untuk solve homogeneous system sahaja. Okay. Remember homogeneous system kita guna untuk non-homogeneous juga. So you kena tahu. Okay. So homogeneous system, okay, first thing is you have to write the system in metric form. Okay, so you write the equation in metric form where you have y prime equals to a y. Okay, later kita tengok macam mana. Okay, and then you have to find the eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, lambda 1 and lambda 2. And then from lambda 1 and lambda 2, you can get eigenvector phi 1 and phi 2. Okay. Okay, once you get the eigenvector, okay, you have to check whether the eigenvector is linearly independent or not. Okay, if it's not linearly independent, where you check and then you get is not equals to 0, okay, then you can directly proceed to step number 4. You can find the general solution, the equation y. Okay, so y equals to C1 and C2 is constant. Phi 1 and phi 2 is this one, eigenvector value that you get. Okay, phi 1, phi 2. And then exponent lambda 1, lambda 2. Exponent eigenvalue. Okay, so this is the general equations. Okay, and then you can live up to this general equations. Okay, if you are given the initial condition, then you have to find what is C1, what is C2. If not, you just leave it C1 and C2. Okay. Okay, so what happen if you check, okay, the eigenvector and then you get this one equals to 0. Okay, so if equals to 0, okay, you have to add another step, which is this one. Okay, if you check this one is equals to 0, okay, then what you need to do is you have to find phi 2. Okay, so this one is happen when your lambda 1 equals to lambda 2. Okay, usually when your lambda 1 is equals to lambda 2, okay, you just have 1, 5. You just have one eigenvector. Okay, therefore you need to find the second eigenvector, phi 2. Okay, okay, so let phi 1 equals to E1. Okay, so this is the first solutions. Okay, and then we have to find E2. Okay, so to find E2, you have to follow these equations where you have A minus lambda, okay, times with identity matrix, okay, times with E2 equals to E1. Okay, then you get E2. Okay, so phi 2 equals to E1x plus E2. Okay, so this is the additional step if this part equals to 0. Remember? Tolong ingat Okay? Okay. Ada soalan nak tanya saya tak? Tak ada. Okay, if no questions, we proceed to example number 2. Okay, so example 2 is solve the following system of first order linear differential equations. Okay, so here you have y1 prime equals to 4y1 plus 2y2 and y2 prime is 3y1 plus 3y2. Okay, so from here we know that this is A11, this is A12, this is A21, A22. Right, betul tak? Okay,
Betul.
you have to write, okay, first step. Okay, first step mentioned here is you have to write in metric form. Okay, y prime equals to ay. Okay, so we write this one in metric form. Then we have y prime equals to ay. Okay, so y prime. we have y1 prime, y2 prime. Okay, equals to, equals to A. So what is A? We have A11, A12, A21, A22. So you just write here 4, 2, 3, 3. Okay, and then we have Y here, Y1, Y2. Okay, so this is Y prime, A and Y. So any question? Ada soalan?
Ada.
Tak ada.
No.
Faham Kalau tak faham boleh
Faham,
interrupt
Doktor.
anytime You can interrupt anytime if you have any question. Okay, so step number 2. Okay, step number 2 is what? Okay, you have to find the eigenvalue. Kita nak cari eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay? Okay, so step number 2 is we want to find lambda 1 and lambda 2. So how you're going to find lambda 1 and lambda 2? Okay. Look at this matrix A. Okay. You have 4 minus with lambda, and then you have 2, you have 3, and you have 3 minus with lambda equals to 0. Okay. It must be like this. Okay. So every time you get this type of questions, okay, so remember that to find lambda 1 and lambda 2, okay, you need to write in this form. Okay, you have a11 minus lambda, a12, a21, a22 minus lambda, okay, equals to 0. Okay.
Doktor
Okay,
nak tanya,
yes saya.
yang A11 tolak lambda 1, lepas tu A22 tolak lambda 2 tu memang formula
Dia
dia
lambda
untuk
saja,
macam
bukan
tu
lambda
je?
1, lambda 2, lambda saja.
Silap. Tu memang formula dia memang macam tu saja
Dia memang macam ni, memang macam ni. Remember this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, faham Yang lain faham tak? Faham
Faham, Doktor.
Okay. So, next step is, okay. So, next step is this one times this one. Okay. So, you have here 4 minus lambda times 3 minus lambda, and then minus this one times this one. Minus 3 times 2 equals to 0. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
so
Doktor.
kita kembangkan. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12 minus 4 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so kita susun balik. So we have lambda square minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 lambda. 12 minus 6 is plus 6 equals to 0. Betul?
Betul.
Betul. Okay, so we have here
Betul.
lambda 6, 1 minus minus. Okay, so we have here lambda minus 6, lambda minus 1 equals to 0, and we have lambda 1 equals to 6 and lambda 2 equals to 1. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Doktor.
Okay, so okay, now we have lambda 1 and lambda 2. So this is the eigenvalue. Okay. Step number 2, eigenvalue. Okay, from eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2, we can find eigenvector phi 1 and phi 2. Okay. Okay, so now we find phi 1 and phi 2. Okay, we start with lambda 1. So lambda 1 equals to 6. Okay. Then Then, okay, you will have ni kan? This one kan? 4 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda kan? Okay, we use this. Okay, we use these equations, okay? But then we replace lambda with lambda 1 and lambda 2. Okay, if we start with lambda 1, then we replace lambda with lambda 1. Okay, then we have 4 minus 6. Okay, then we have 2. Okay, and then 3. 3 minus 6 equals to, okay, sorry, 6. And then we have x, y, okay, equals to 0. Okay, so 4 minus 6 is 4 minus 6 minus 2.
Negative
And then
2.
here is 2, 3. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Okay, and then you have x, y equals to 0. And then kita darabkan matrik ni. Okay, if you times this matrix, you will get this one times this one, right? Betul tak? This one times this one, okay, equals to 0. So you have minus 2x plus 2x equals to 0. And another one is this
2y.
one times this
2y
one.
betul.
Huh?
2y bukan 2x.
Okay, thank you.
Plus
2y.
2y.
Plus 2y kan? Okay. Then, yang bawah dia pun sama. Okay, this one times this one. Then you have 3x minus 3y equals to 0. Okay, so it's actually x equals to y. Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, x equals to y. Okay, let's say, okay,
Betul.
x equals to s. Then y equals to, if you put x equals to s, then y equals to
S.
S.
s juga. Okay, then your phi 1 is equals to xy kan? Phi 1 is xy. Okay, then what is x? What is y? S, right? X is s, y is s. Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, then equals to, kita faktorkan s, then this one will be 1 times with s. Betul?
Betul.
Okay, so this is your phi 1, okay, equals to 1. Okay, okay, next is lambda 2 equals to 1. Okay, so lambda 2 equals to 1, sama juga proses dia. Okay, so you have here 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, okay, x, y equals to 0. Okay, so 4 minus 1, you have 3, 2, and then 3, 2, x, y equals to 0. Okay, so this one times this one, you will get 3x plus 2y equals to 0. And this one times this one, also you get 3x plus 2y equals to 0. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
And
Betul.
equals to?
Betul.
X equals to? 3x equals to minus 2y. And x equals to minus 2 over 3y. Right?
Right.
Okay. So let's say you assume x equals to s. Then y equals to? Y equals to?
3 over 2.
Hmm?
S. 3/2.
Y equals to?
S.
Y equals to?
Negatif 3/2.
Minus 3/2
Negatif
S.
3/2.
Betul?
S.
Okay. Then y2, not y2. Then phi2 actually you have x, y. So what is x? What is y? X is s, y is minus 3 over 2s. Okay. Ataupun kita keluarkan s, then phi 2 equals to 1 minus 3 over 2s. Okay. Ada soalan tak? Ada soalan nak tanya?
Doktor,
Dia saya.
yang S tu daripada mana?
S ni kita assume. You can assume any S or A or B. That
Oh,
doesn't matter.
okay.
Okay. Sebab nilai
Okay.
adalah yang dalam kurungan ni saja.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay. So next step is, what is next step? Okay. Check whether this eigenvector is linearly independent or not. Okay. So we have to check. Macam mana nak check? How to check? Okay. Phi 11, phi 12, phi 21, phi 22. Okay. So we have to check. Okay. So you have here phi 11, phi 12, phi 21, phi 22. Okay. Check whether it's equals to 0 or not. Okay. So what if phi 11? Okay. Phi 11, phi 12 is, where is it? Here. 11. Okay. 11. So this one from phi 1, this one from phi 2. Okay. And then phi 2. Phi 21, phi 22 is 1 minus 3 over 2. Okay. Then equals to this one times this one times this one. Okay, so you have 1 times minus 3 over 2 minus with this one times this one. Okay, 1 times 1. Then you have minus 3 over 2 minus 1, which is equals to minus 5 over 2. So this is equals to 0 or not? This one is not equals to 0. Betul tak? Betul tak? You ada nilai kan?
Betul.
Okay, therefore this is linearly independent. Okay. Okay, if it's not equals to 0, then we can proceed to the next step, okay, which is you can write the general solution. Okay, so the general solutions you can write either this way or this way. It's up to you. Sama je. Okay. Okay. Okay tak okay?
Doktor. Doktor, kalau dia sama dengan kosong macam mana?
Yang mana?
Kalau yang linear yang macam ni kan doktor beritahu kalau dia tak sama dengan kosong dia jadi linear independent kan. Kalau dia punya jawapan tu sama dengan kosong macam mana pula?
Nanti kita tengok example dia.
Oh, okay.
Okay, kalau sama kosong kita kena ada additional step yang ini. Okay, kejap lagi kita tengok. Kita tengok yang ni dulu. Okay, so yang ini boleh faham Okay, so you can write the general solution y, okay, two-way. First, yx equals to c1, okay, so you have here phi 1, phi 11, phi 12, exponent lambda 1x, okay, plus with c2, okay, phi 21, phi 22, exponent lambda 2x, or, okay, or you have y1 equals to c1 exponent C1 mana equation tadi saya tak ingat. C1 phi 1, okay. C1 phi 1 exponent lambda 1x plus C2 phi 2 exponent lambda x, okay. Okay, y2 C1 phi 1 2 exponent lambda 1x plus C2 phi exponent phi 2 2 exponent lambda 2x. Okay, so either one. Okay. Okay, so our general solutions will be yx equals to C1. Okay, phi 1 1 phi 1 2 is phi 1 here. Mana phi 1? Phi 1 yang ni. 1 1. Okay, S tak payah tulis 1 1. Then exponent lambda 1 is 6x. Okay, plus with C2 phi 2. Okay, phi 2 1 phi 2 2 is 1 minus 3 over 2. Okay, exponent x. Okay, exponent x. Or you can write in this form where you have y1 equals to c1. Phi 1 1 is 1. Jadi tak boleh tulis exponent 6x plus c2. Phi 2 1 also 1. Exponent x. Y2 equals to C1, phi 1, 2 also 1, okay, exponent 6x minus, okay, C2, okay, phi 2, 2 is minus 3 over 2, jadi saya tulis minus 3 over 2 C2 exponent x. Okay, you can choose whether these types or this type depends on you. Ikut awak. Okay, so dua-dua betul. Okay.
C itu constant, doktor?
Constant.
Okay.
Ini dibagi initial condition tak? Tak ada. Okay, these questions, okay. So no initial condition given, therefore you can stop up to this. C1 and C2 boleh ada kat dalam ni. If you are given the initial condition, then you have to find what is C1, what is C2. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, so next, okay. What happen if this one equals to 0? Okay, so if this one equals to 0, okay, additional step is you have to find phi 2. Okay, so to find phi 2, okay, you have to assume that phi 1 equals to E1, which is equals to phi 1 1 phi 1 2. Okay, and then we have to find E2. So how to find E2? You have to follow these equations. Okay, so you have A minus lambda, and then you have times with identity matrix. Okay, and then you darabkan dengan E2 equals to E1. Okay, then you can get E2. Okay, so once you get E2, okay, you can get phi 2. So phi 2 is equals to E1x plus E2. Okay, so this is the additional step. Okay, so kita tengok example dia. Okay. Okay, ini ada lagi. Okay, if you have 3 same eigenvalue. Okay, yang this one, if you have 2 eigenvalue yang sama kan? Eigenvalue 1 and eigenvalue 2 sama. Lambda 1 equals to lambda 2. So what happen if you have lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to lambda 3? Then you have to find phi 3. Sama juga metodnya. Okay, you have to find E2. So E2 you get from this equation. Okay, and then so E2, then you can find E3. Okay, okay, if then after you find E3, okay, you masukkan dalam equation ni. Okay, you can get phi 3. Okay, this is if you have 3 same eigenvalue. Lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to lambda 3. Okay? Okay tak?
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, so now look at this example. Okay, this one still this one is still homogeneous. Okay, masih lagi contoh homogeneous. Okay, so example 3, you have find the particular solutions of the system of first order linear differential equations as below. Okay, consider its initial conditions. Okay, so for this example, you are given the initial condition, then you have to find C1 and C2. Okay, so we have here y1 prime equals to y1 plus 3y2 and y2 prime equals to minus 3y1 plus 7y2. Okay, dia punya step dia agak panjang so okay, cukup. Okay, so first step, okay, you have to write in metric form. Okay, so write this one in metric form. Then you have y1 prime, y2 prime equals to 1, 3, minus 3, 7, y1, y2. Right? Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, so next you
Betul.
have to find
Betul.
lambda 1 and lambda 2. You have to find the eigenvalue. Okay, so to find the eigenvalue, remember, you have 1 minus lambda, and then you have 3 minus 3, 7 minus lambda equals to 0. Okay, so you have 1 minus lambda, 7 minus lambda, okay, minus 3 times minus 3, you have minus 9 equals to 0. Right? Betul?
Betul.
Okay, so kembangkan.
Benar.
1 darab 7. So you have 7 minus lambda minus 7 lambda plus lambda square minus plus 9 equals to 0. Right? Betul? Okay. Then you susun balik. So you have here lambda square minus lambda minus 7 lambda. So minus 8 lambda. 7 plus what? 7 plus 9. Apa?
16.
16 plus 16 equals to 0. Okay, faktorkan this one.
Lambda tolak 4, lambda tolak 4.
So you have lambda minus 4 equals to 0. Then lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to 4. Betul?
Betul.
Okay, then
Betul.
here we just have one value of lambda. Okay, 4. You have lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to 4. Okay, so lambda 1, okay, so sorry, lambda equals to lambda equals to 4. Okay, and then you gantikan 4 inside these equations. Okay, so 1 minus 4, 3 minus 3, 7 minus 4. Okay, here you have x, y equals to 0. Okay, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 3, and then here you have minus 3, 7 minus 4 also 3, then x, y equals to 0. Okay, so this one times this one equals to 0. Then you have minus 3x plus 3y equals to 0. Sama je kan atas bawah kan? Sama tak?
Sama.
Kan?
Sama.
Then 3x equals to 3y, x equals to y. Right?
Right.
Betul tak? Betul Okay,
Betul.
therefore eigenvector 1 equals to xy equals to, if you assume x equals to s, therefore y also equals to s, then here you have s, s, okay. Kalau you faktor keluarkan s, you dapat 1, 1, s, okay. Okay, since lambda 1 equals to lambda 2 equals to 4, if you get phi 1 equals to this one, phi 2 also equals to, sama juga kan? Betul tak? Since your lambda 1
Betul.
equals to lambda 2, therefore phi 1 equals to phi 2. Betul? Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay. So
Betul.
if you want to check this one, mana tadi? This one. Okay. So you have, okay. So you have here 1, 1, 1, 1, okay, equals to this one times this one. So 1 minus this one times this one minus 1 equals to 0. So this one is not linearly independent. Betul?
Betul.
Okay.
Betul.
So what you need to do here?
Yang
Cari
formula E.
Yang ini. Okay, you have to find E2. E2. Okay. Okay, so mana tadi? Okay, so first step is you have to assume, okay, phi 1 equals to E1 equals to 1, 1. Right. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then you have to use these equations. A minus lambda I times with E2 equals to E1. Okay, so what is A? A is this one. A yang ini kan? This is your A. Okay. So you tulis in metric form, you have A 1, 3 minus 3, 7. 1, 3 minus 3, 7. Okay. Minus with lambda. Lambda is 4. Okay. Times with 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the identity metric. Okay. Okay. And then darabkan dengan E2. So let's say E2 equals to AB. Okay, therefore here will be AB equals to E1 equals to 1, 1. Okay, faham tak?
Faham doktor?
Faham Okay, so you tahu So this is A, this is lambda, this is I, this is E2, this is E1. Okay? Okay, now we try to solve this, okay, to find E2 or to find A and B. Okay, so macam mana? Okay, you have here 1, 3 minus 3, 7 minus, okay, you times this lambda with I, so here you have 4, 0, 0, 4, okay, times with AB equals to 1, 1, okay. Then, awak tolak je kan metrik ni dengan metrik ni, betul?
Betul.
Okay, 1 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 4
3.
minus 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Minus 3 minus 0 minus 3. 7 minus 4, 3.
Betul.
Times with AB equals to 1, 1.
1, 1.
Okay. And then you darabkan this one times this one equals to this. Okay. So you have here minus 3A plus 3B equals to 1. Okay. Sama juga yang bawah pun you akan dapat minus 3A plus 3B equals to 1. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ya.
Then, okay. So, if you assume A equals to, you can assume A equals to any constant. Okay. A equals to S. Then B equals to, you have 3B equals to 1 plus 3A. B equals to 1 plus 3A over 3. Right. Then if A equals to S, then B equals to 1 plus 3S over 3. Alright. Betul tak? Okay. Then you can assume, okay. So now you have here, tadi dekat atas, at this stage, we assume E2 equals to AB. Right. Then E2 equals to AB. So what is A? What is B? So A is S, B is 1 plus 3S over 3. Okay. Okay. Ini you tak boleh faktor keluarkan S kat depan. You tak boleh faktorkan kan? Betul tak? Sini you boleh faktorkan. This one you cannot. You tak boleh. Okay. So macam ni nak buat? You have to assume that S equals to any value. Any value tak kisah. Sama je jawapannya. Nanti. Jawapannya awak akan dapat lain. Tapi kalau diberi initial condition, you will get the same answer. So it doesn't matter what value of S yang you assume. Okay, you can assume S equals to 0, S equals to 1, S equals to 2, S equals to 3. Tapi better you pakai yang senang you nak selesaikan. Okay. So, you boleh pakai kosong. Okay. So, S equals to 0. Okay. If S equals to 0, then E2 akan jadi. This one is 0. This one will be 1 plus 0 over 3. So, 1 over 3. Okay. This is our E2. Then our phi 2 is equals to E1x plus E2. Okay. So equals to, okay, E1 is, E1, where is E1? E1 is this one, 1, 1. So this one will be 1 times x. So x plus with 0. Okay. And then x plus with 1 over 3. Okay. So equals to x plus 1 over 3. Okay. Okay. Okay ke tak okay?
Okay, Doktor. Okay, okay.
Okay. Then, okay, you have phi 1 and phi 2. Then you can get the general solution. Yx equals to, okay, Yx equals to C1. Okay. This one will be phi 1. So what is phi 1 is 1, 1 exponent for x plus with C2 phi 2 is x plus 1 over 3 exponent for x. Okay. Ataupun you tulis satu-satu. Y1x equals to C1 times phi 1, 1. Okay. Exponent for x plus C2x exponent for x. And Y2x is C1 exponent for x plus C2 x plus 1 over 3 exponent for x. Okay, so this is the general solution. So now we have to find C1 and C2. Okay, so C1 and C2. Okay, it depends on the initial condition given. Okay, you have y what? Y0 equals to 0, 4 over 3. Okay, okay, okay. So you,
Pula tu.
okay, so this one is actually y1, okay, y2, this one is y1, this one is y2, okay. So when x equals to 0, y1 equals to 0 and y2 equals to 4 over 3. Ini maksud dia. Okay, this is your x. Okay, then we replace this value inside this equation. Okay, so x equals to 0, y1 equals to 0 inside this equation. Therefore, we have here, okay, x equals to 0, y1 equals to 0. Therefore, here we have c1 exponent 0 plus c2 exponent 0 equals to 0. Exponent 0 is 1, 1. And you have c1 plus c2 equals to 0. Betul? Kan? And then you have x equals to 0, y2 equals to 4 over 3. Okay? You masukkan dalam equation ni. Then you have here c1 exponent 0 plus c2. Okay? 0 plus 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 exponent 0 equals to 4 over 3. Okay? Exponent 0 is 1. Exponent 0 is 1. Then you have here C1 plus 1 over 3 C2 equals to 4 over 3. Okay, so this one C1 equals to minus C2. Okay, equation number 1. Equation number 2, you replace, you masukkan equation 1 ke dalam equation 2. Okay, then you will have C1 equals to minus C2. So sorry, nak replace, saya nak kata apa masukkan, okay, you masukkan equation 1, okay, inside equation number 2, then your equation number 2 will be minus C2 plus 1 over 3 C2 equals to 4 over 3. So this one, solvekan this one, you dapat C2 equals to minus, so minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 over 3 C2 equals to 4 over 3, and then C2 equals to 4 over 3 times 3 over 2 minus, then this one cancel, minus 2. Right, C2 equals to minus 2. Betul tak? Itu salah.
Betul.
Betul.
Betul
Betul.
Okay, lepas tu macam salah je ni, you all ni. Petang-petang ni kan? Kan? C1, C2, so 4/3, C1 plus 1/3. minus 3/3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Betul lah kan? Betul eh? Betul eh? C2 equals to minus 2. Kan?
Betul.
And then C1 equals to minus 2 equals to 2. Okay. Okay, and then
Doktor.
yx equals to C1 2 1 1 exponent 4x, okay, plus with C2. C2 is negative, so negative minus 2 x plus 1/3 exponent 4x. Kenapa tak sama? Saya ada salah dekat mana-mana ke ni?
Tak bertiga doktor.
Hmm?
Equation nombor 2 tu.
Ha?
C1 tambah 1/3 kan?
Hmm?
Bukan 4/3 ke? 4/3 C2 sama dengan 4/3.
Kejap.
Bukan 1/3.
Saya salah dekat mana?
Saya rasa ni doktor yang equation nombor 2. Macam mana doktor dapat 4/3?
Ni
Bukan 1/3 ke?
1/3 ke?
Kan sama dengan 4/3, sama dengan 1/3 kan? 4/3 doktor dapat macam mana?
Initial condition dia berapa? 4/3 ke 3/4? 4/3. 4/3. Betul dah kan 4/3 kan?
Ya.
Betul tak?
Betul.
Betul, 4/3.
Lepas tu saya ada salah step kat mana ni? Okey, cepat. Siapa boleh tolong saya ni? X kosong, Y1 kosong. Then, you dapat betul lah, saya salah kat sini. Awak tak betulkan saya Ni, equation ni, okay, this one. Okay. This one, ni kan, you gantikan ni, ini ada X kan? So, tak ada situ. Situ dah kosong, right? Betul tak? You gantikan X dengan kosong, so kosong darab dengan situ. So, situ pun tak ada. So, kita ada C1 equals to 0. Nampak tak? Ni. Nampak tak? So, C1 equals to 0. Okay. So, okay. C1 equals to 0. You gantikan C1 dekat sini, 0. Then you dapat 1 over 3 C2 equals to 4 over 3. And then C2 equals to 4. Kan? Okay. Bawa ni 1/3 ke sini, dia akan jadi darab 3. So, 3 cancel. So, C2 equals to 4. Okay. And then you masukkan dalam equation. YX. Okay. C1. Okay. C1 is 0. Okay. C1 0. Okay. 1, 1. Okay, exponent for x. Okay, and then plus C2. C2 is 4. Okay, you have x. X plus 1 over 3. Exponent for x. Ini saya punya, daripada saya punya komputer ke?
Tak, Zulfa.
Okay. Then, okay, so this is your yx. Okay, so kalau you tengok dalam contoh tu, dia lain kan? Tak sama sikit. But if you separatekan, you kira y1x, okay, and y2x, you will get the same answer. Okay, maksud dia, you dapatkan dalam bentuk macam ni. You gantikan dalam bentuk ni. So, you gantikan y1x, okay, you gantikan C1 dengan kosong, C2 dengan 4. Therefore, you dapat y1x equals to this one 0. Okay, plus with, okay, C2 is 4, 4x, exponent 4x. And y2 is equals to C1 is 0, okay, plus C2 is 4x. So you have here 4x plus 1 over 3 exponent 4x. Atau you kembangkan, you will get 4x exponent 4x plus 4 over 3 exponent 4x. Okay. So you will get the same answer. Okay. Kalau you gantikan S dengan 1, 2, 3 dan sebagainya. So sama. Okay, so it doesn't matter you Gantikan S tu dengan 0, 1, 2 atau apa nilai pun. Okay, at the end, if you are given the initial condition, therefore you will get this one, okay, Y1 and Y2 sama for any value of S. Okay? Okay?
Okey doktor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this one for homogeneous baru. Belum masuk non-homogeneous. Okay. So now, okay, we are going to non-homogeneous system. Okay. So homogeneous system, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, the general equations untuk ni adalah dia ada G1, G2, Gn. General equation. Okay, for homogeneous, you will see that there is no, mana tadi? There is no Gx dekat sini. Okay, dia tak ada Gx, which means Gx equals to 0. Okay, for non-homogeneous, you will have Gx. Okay, for non-homogeneous, you will have Gx. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, so this is our Gx. This one and this one. This is Gx. Okay, so now we want to solve the non-homogeneous system. Okay, so this is the step by step dia. Okay, mana tadi? Okay, non-homogeneous. Okay, so for non-homogeneous, you'll have y prime equals to ay plus g here. Okay, kalau homogeneous tadi tak ada g. But for non-homogeneous, you'll have g dekat equation dia. Okay, so step hampir sama dengan chapter 2. Okay, so the first step is you have to find the general solution for YC for homogeneous system, where y prime equals to ay. Okay, you have to find YC. After that, you have to find the YP. Okay. Okay, you have to find YP by using method of undetermined coefficient and variation of parameter. Okay. However, for this chapter, we just concentrate on undetermined coefficients. You don't have to find using variation of parameter. Okay. But for chapter 2, you have to find both method of undetermined coefficient and variation of parameter. Okay. Once you find YP, okay, you can get the general solutions where y equals to yc plus yp. Okay, and then you have to find the particular solutions if you are given the initial condition. Kalau tak bagi initial condition, then you can stop up to this y. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the step of finding YP for non-homogeneous system, okay, by method of undetermined coefficient. Okay, we have to assume YP based on G. Sama juga macam chapter 2. We have to find YP based on Fx. Okay, and then once you find YP based on G, okay, you can get YP prime. Okay, once you get YP prime, you compare YP prime from step 2 with Y prime from the system, okay, to get the value of constant. Okay. Okay, so how to assume YP based on G? So this table is important for you to assume YP. Make sure you understand this table. Okay, so how to read this table? This is your G from your question, and this is YP that you have to assume that you can use. Okay, so it has three types of G. You have polynomial, you have exponent, and you have trigonometry. Okay, let's say you have polynomial A1, A2, then your YP will be U1, U2. Okay, if your G is A1x plus B1, Okay, you have the x here, degree 1. Okay, then your yp will be u1x plus v1, u2x plus v2. If you have a 2 degree of polynomial, x kuasa 2, then your yp will be like this. Okay, boleh faham tak?
Faham betul.
Faham Okay, then kalau if your g is exponent, okay, you have an exponent, okay, you have exponent lambda x, then your yp will be u1, u2 exponent lambda x. Okay, and then if you compare yp with yc, dia sama. Macam biasa kalau sama, okay, you kena darabkan dengan x, therefore your yp will be u1x plus v1, u2x plus v2 exponent lambda x. Okay, ini kalau kes sama. Okay, then kalau if your g is trigonometry, then your yp is like this. You have u1, u2 sin x plus v1, v2 cos x. Okay, ada soalan tak nak tanya?
Doktor, kalau yang YP sama dengan YC tu, kalau C dia sama, just darab dengan X je lah kan, macam biasa je.
Darab x.
Okay. Yang eksponen tu tak payah buat apa-apa kan?
Eksponen tak payah. Constant dia je. Okay. Make sure you faham yang ni. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. So kalau okay, kita tengok example number 4. Okay. So example number 4. Okay. Kalau you tengok dekat sini, if you look at this example, mana saya punya mouse kenapa tak jalan? Okay. So you have y1 prime equals to minus 3y1 plus y2 minus 6y3. 6y3 ke? Saya salah ni. Bukan 6y3 minus 6 exponent minus 2x. Okay. y2 prime equals to y1 minus 3y2 plus 2 exponent minus 2x. Okay. This one is minus 6 exponent 2x. Okay. So from here, okay, first step is you have to find yc. Okay, so how to find yc? Okay, is from this step. Yang ini, yang panjang-panjang saya buat dekat ni kan. Okay, so yang ini. So all this example 2 and example 3 is how you want to find yc. Macam mana awak nak cari yc? Awak boleh refer pada example 2 dan 3. Okay? Okay Okay? Okay tak?
Okay, doktor.
Okay, doktor.
Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay, so remember to find yc, refer pada example 2 dan 3 macam mana kita dapatkan yc. So yc is from homogeneous system. Okay. So how to find yc? Macam biasa you y1 prime, y2 prime, okay, equals to minus 3, 1, 1 minus 3, y1, y2, okay, plus with minus 6 exponent minus 2x, 2 exponent minus 2x, okay, sorry, plus. Okay, so this one is y prime, this one is a, this one is y, this one is g. Okay, ada soalan? Any question? Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada doktor.
Tak ada Ini panjang ni contoh ni So make sure you kalau saya laju bagi tahu saya.
Doktor
Okey.
memang dia dapatkan YC dulu baru boleh buat yang ni ke doktor?
Ya, kena dapatkan YC dulu.
Panjang.
Nak dapat YC pun dah panjang, betul tak?
Betul.
Okey. Okey. Kat mana tadi? Okay, so now we want to find lambda. Okay. Okay, so lambda, how to find lambda is, remember, minus 3 minus lambda 1, 1 minus 3 minus lambda equals to 0. Okay, then you have minus 3 minus lambda times minus 3 minus lambda minus with 1 times 1, 1 equals to 0. Then you kembangkan, so you have minus 3 is berapa? Minus 9. Minus 3 minus lambda, you have plus 3 lambda plus 3 lambda plus lambda square minus 1 equals to 0. Then, kita susun lambda square 3 plus 3 plus 6 lambda 9 minus 1 plus 8 equals to 0. Then you faktorkan, you will get lambda 882 plus 2 lambda plus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Then you have lambda 1 equals to 2, lambda 2 equals to lambda 1 equals to minus 2, lambda 2 equals to minus 4. Betul? Betul tak?
Betul.
Betul. Okay. Then next is, apa kita nak buat? Next is we have to find phi 1 and phi 2. Okay. Let's say for lambda 1 equals to minus 2. So what is phi 1? Okay. So how to find phi 1 is you have here is minus 3 minus lambda kan. So minus 3 minus our lambda is minus 2, therefore minus 3 minus 2, then you have 1 and then 1 minus 3 minus lambda, then you have here minus 3 minus lambda minus 2, okay, equals to xy equals to 0, okay. So minus 3 plus 2, you have minus 1, 1, 1, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, okay, xy equals to 0. And then you darabkan this one with this one, you will get, dapat berapa? Minus x plus y equals to 0. And here, this one times this one, you will get x minus y equals to 0. And from here, we know that x equals to y. Betul tak? Betul tak? Betul tak? Betul kan? If x equals to x, then y also equals to s. Therefore, phi 1 equals to 1, 1, s. Right? Right? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Then, kita tengok for lambda 2 equals to minus 4. Okay. So, we have here lambda 2 equals to minus 4. Then, sama juga kita gantikan lambda dengan minus 2, minus 4. We have here minus 3 minus 4, 1, 1, minus 3 minus 4. Okay, we have x, y equals to 0. Minus 3 plus 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. X, y equals to 0. And x plus y equals to 0, x equals to minus y. Okay, if x equals to s, then your y equals to minus s. Then your phi 2 equals to 1 minus 1 s. Betul? Faham? Faham tak?
Faham.
Faham doktor.
Faham
Boleh doktor.
Okay, then we check the linearly independence ataupun tidak. Okay. Okay. So to check this one is you have phi 1, 1, phi 1, 2. So phi 1, phi 2. So what is phi 1 is 1, 1. Phi 2 is 1 minus 1. Okay. Equals to 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Minus with 1 times 1 is 1. So you have minus 2. Okay, which is not equals to 0. So this one is linearly independent. Okay, therefore you can get the yx. So yx equals to c1 phi 1. Okay, exponent lambda 1 is minus 2x plus c2 phi 2. Okay, exponent minus 4x. Okay, so phi 1 is 1, 1, phi 2 is 1 minus 1. Ataupun you can write it as y1 equals to c1 phi 1 exponent lambda 1 minus 2x plus c2 exponent minus 4x. Y2 equals to c1 exponent 2x minus c2 exponent 4x. Okay. Okay.
Okay doktor.
Okay. So this one baru YC. Okay. Ini baru YC. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay doktor.
Jangan cari
Okay,
C1 dengan C2 lagi. Sebab kita kena dapatkan YP dulu. Okay, walaupun kita dah ada diberi initial condition kan. Jangan cari C1, C2 lagi. Okay, sebab kita baru separuh jalan. Kita baru sampai YC. Okay. So now kita nak cari YP. Okay. So YP kalau you tengok dekat sini. Mana kat sini? Ni. This one. Ini eksponen ke? Polinomial ke? Trigo? This one.
Exponent.
exponent.
Polynomial.
Eksponen.
Exponent.
Eksponen kan? So eksponen yang ini. Betul? Betul tak?
Betul doktor.
Kan? Yang ni kan? Therefore your YP is this one. Okay. So YP sama juga dengan okay. Exponent lambda x. So here exponent minus 2x. So lambda here is minus 2. Kan? Minus 2, minus 2. Okay, then YP equals to U1, U2 exponent minus 2x. Okay. YP equals to U1, U2 exponent minus 2x. Okay, now you compare with YC. YC here. Okay, Y1, Y2. So, sama tak? Sama tak?
Sama.
Sama
Sama.
kan? YP equals to YC. Okay, so apa you kena buat? Dekat sini,
Darab
okay.
X.
Here it stated that if YP equals to YC, then YP here akan jadi yang ini. Okay, so YP will be this one. Okay, so now your YP will be U1X plus V1, U2X plus V2. Okay, since YP equals to YC, then new YP will be U1X plus V1, U2X plus V2, exponent minus 2X. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. So now kita comparekan YP dengan YC sama tak lagi? YP here with YC here. Sama tak? Sama tak?
Tak.
Tak sama.
Tak sama dah kan? Okay, then we can use this YP. Okay, so bila kita nak pakai, once we use this YP, okay, we have to find YP prime. So what is YP prime? You differentiate this one. Macam mana nak differentiate this one? Remember, if you have here X, you have X, then what you need to do is, first, you differentiate either one dulu. Salah satu dulu. Okay? Okay, let's say we want to differentiate this one. Okay, this one, you jangan buat apa-apa dekat exponent ni. Okay? You differentiate this one first. Okay, you differentiate U1X plus V1. What you get? You differentiate this one. What did you get? You differentiate U1X plus V1. Awak bezakan U1X plus V1. Awak dapat?
Dapat U1 je.
U1.
Get U1. Okay. If you differentiate U1X plus V2,
U2.
U2. Okay. Okay, darabkan dengan exponent ni. Jangan buat apa-apa. Exponent 2X. Okay. And then plus with, okay, this one. You jangan buat apa-apa. You differentiate this one. Okay, you differentiate exponent minus 2X. What did you get?
Dapat negatif 2.
Negative 2 exponent negative 2x.
Okay, so this one minus 2. Right. Betul tak?
Minus
Minus 2 kan?
Betul.
Betul.
Okay, exponent.
Exponent.
This one you salin balik je. U1X plus V1, U2X plus V2. Okay, ada soalan tak nak tanya yang ini?
Tak ada, doktor.
Ya,
Faham
faham.
Okay. So this is our YP prime. Okay, so next step is we want to find U1, U2, V1, V2. Okay, so macam mana nak dapatkan how to get this value is you have to compare.
Lampu ni nak tidur bukan nak belajar. Tutup lampu.
You have to find YP prime. Okay, you have to compare this YP prime with mana tadi? With this one. You kena comparekan dengan Y prime. Okay, so we compare YP prime with this original equation. Ini kita panggil original equation. Kita comparekan dengan yang ini. Okay, so we compare. Mana tadi? Okay. So now we have to compare YP prime with Y prime. Okay, so what is YP prime? YP prime is this one. Okay, YP prime is U1, U2 exponent minus 2x minus 2. Saya susun balik yang ni U1x plus V1, U2x plus V2 exponent minus 2x. So this is YP prime. Betul? Okay, so
Betul.
now what is Y1? Sorry, bukan Y1. What is Y prime? Okay, Y prime. So this is Y prime. Okay, so this is Y prime. Okay, so you have A, you have Y, you have G. Okay. So you tulis balik. Okay. So here equals to A. What is A? A is minus 3, 1, 1, minus 3. Minus 3, 1, 1, minus 3 times with Y. Right. You have Y. Okay. Plus with G. What is G? So G is minus 6 exponent minus 2x, 2 exponent minus 2x. Minus 6 exponent minus 2x, 2 exponent minus 2x. Okay? Okay? Okay tak?
Doktor.
Ya saya.
Okey, doktor.
Faham eh?
Doktor.
Ya saya.
Yang YP tadi yang atas tu kan. Macam mana nak tahu compare dengan YC, saya tak faham kat situ.
Okay, yang mana?
Yang
Yang
atas.
yang ni.
Yang tu.
Yang ni memang sama juga macam yang chapter tu. Kita compare YP dengan YC.
Kalau kita yang compare yang ni, exponent kan, kita compare dengan YC tu kan.
Ya. Compare yang ni.
Kita compare yang tu. Kalau
Ah.
yang bawah tu kita compare dengan apa pula?
Yang
Exponent
bawah
juga.
tu, yang ni jugalah, yang ni juga. Kita compare dengan yang ni juga.
Okay.
Kalau yang atas ni kan, you compare kan. U1 exponent minus 2x. Sini you ada C1 exponent minus 2x. Sama kan? Patternnya. Okay. Yang ni pun sama juga. U2 exponent minus 2x. C1 exponent minus 2x. Sama. Pattern dia. Okay. Bila sama, kita kena pakai yang ini. Okay. So, bila kita pakai yang ini, kita compare kan. So, you have U1x plus V1 exponent minus 2x. You comparekan dengan yang ini. Sama ke tak sama? Tak sama. Sebab sini ada X. Okay, yang bawah pun sama. You compare dengan ni, dia tak sama.
Okay, faham.
Okay. Ini YP. Okay. Okay. So, kalau you tengok dekat sini, sini kita ada Y. Ada Y kan? Saya tak tulis Y1, Y2 yang ini. Why? Kenapa? Because we have to replace this Y with YP. Okay. So, what is YP? So, this is our YP. Okay. So, you have to replace this YP inside this equation. Okay. Awak kena gantikan.
Kini Y tu kita gantikan kepada YP lah.
Ya, betul. Instead of pakai Y1, Y2, you pakai YP. Okay. Okay. So, equations akan jadi minus 3, 1, 1 minus 3. Okay. So, YP is U1x plus V1, U2x plus V2. Right. Exponent minus 2x. Betul tak? This YP is this our YP here. Okay. 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 Okay, and then plus dengan minus 6 exponent to minus 2x. Okay. Okay. And then 2 exponent minus 2x. Okay. Okay. Okay tak?
Okay.
Okay. So, ini panjang sikit equals to ni nak pakai yang mana? Okay. Ini kan? This one. You darabkan dengan this whole thing. Ni darab ni. Ni darab ni. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, you will have minus 3 times with U1X plus V1. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ya, betul.
Plus with, okay, this one,
Okay, Doktor.
U2X plus V2. Okay. Exponent minus 2X. Okay. And this one times, sama juga lah. Ni darab ni darab ni. Okay. So you have here, what ada? What ada?
U1X
U1X plus V1 minus 3U2X minus 3V2. Betul tak? Yang atas ni saya kembangkan teruslah senang. Tak payah tulis banyak kali Okay. Okay, yang ini you ada minus 3U1X minus 3V1. Okay. Okay, plus with minus 6 exponent 2x, 2 exponent minus 2x. Okay. Okay. Okay, lepas tu sama juga dengan, okay, sama juga dengan kita nak compare kiri, we want to compare left hand side and right hand side. Kita nak compare sebelah sini dan sebelah sini. Okay. Okay, kita nak compare dua-dua belah ni. Okay. So, macam mana kita nak compare? Kita asingkan dia punya. Okay, you tengok dekat sini, look at the left hand side here. Okay, this one ada X kan? This one tak ada X. Okay, so kita asingkan X dengan yang tak ada X. Okay, so kalau you asingkan, you will get, okay, here you have minus 2, okay, U1X, U2X, exponent minus 2X, okay, plus okay, plus with, okay, U1 minus 2V1, U2 minus 2V2, exponent minus 2X. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Doktor.
Okay. So, sama juga dekat sebelah sini pun kita asingkan X dengan yang tak ada X. Okay. Okay. So, yang ada X, you have here minus 3U1. Oh, minus 3 tapi saya tulis 2 Minus 3U1X plus U2X. Betul tak? This one and this one. Betul? Okay. Yang bawah ni you have U1X minus 3U2X exponent minus 2X plus with, okay, here you have minus 3V1 plus V2 minus 6, okay, and then you have V1 minus 3V2 plus 2 exponent minus 2X. Okay.
Ni doktor asing-asingkan X dengan V
X dengan yang tak ada X. Okay. Ini yang ada X kan? This one tak ada X. Okay. Okay.
Okay doktor.
Okay. So, now, bila kita dah asing, once we separate, okay, the equation X with, and without X, so now we can, kita samakan persamaan, coefficient. Kita samakan dia punya ni. So, this one equals to this one. Okay. Okay, ataupun saya pemudahkan lagi, minus 2. Okay, you have U1, U2. Saya keluarkan X. So, X exponent minus 2X plus U1 minus 2V1, U2 minus 2V2, exponent minus 2X. Okay, this one also saya faktor keluarkan X. Therefore, if this equation will be minus 3U1 plus U2, U1 minus 3U2, X exponent minus 2X plus with minus 3V1 plus V2 minus 6, V1 minus 3V2 plus 2, exponent minus 2X. Okay, so now, okay, to find the equations, okay, kita samakan this one and this one, right? This X exponent 2X, X exponent minus 2X here. This one and this one. Okay? Boleh eh? Okay, so here you have minus 2. Okay, minus 2 U1 U2. Okay, this one equals to this one. Equals to minus 3 U1 plus U2. U1 minus 3 U2. Okay. Okay tak?
Boleh doktor ulang balik?
Yang mana?
Yang tadi yang baru je doktor cakap tadi.
Okay, so yang ini faham yang saya faktor keluarkan X.
Faham.
Okay, so kita keluarkan X, therefore the equation will be minus 2 U1 U2 X exponent minus 2X. This one remain, tak ada perubahan. This one also kita keluarkan X, then we have minus 3 U1 plus U2 U1 minus 3 U2 X exponent minus 2X. Kita samakan persamaan dia macam kita buat sebelum ni. Okay, so here we have X exponent minus 2X. Sebelah kiri pun we have X exponent minus 2X, right? Both ada X exponent minus 2X. Then kita samakan, we compare this part here and this part here. Okay, kita samakan bahagian sini dan bahagian sini.
Okay, doktor.
Okay,
Faham.
so left hand side we have minus 2 U1 U2 equals to the right hand side is we have minus 3 U1 plus U2 U1 minus 3 U2. Okay. Okay. Then saya tak cukup ni kejap Tak cukup kertas kejap. Okay. So now, okay. We have here, kita ada minus 2U1, okay, yang atas ni, equals to this one. Minus 3U1 plus U2. Okay, so this one, okay, minus 2U1, okay, this whole thing you bring to this side, it will be plus 3U1 minus U2 equals to 0. minus 2 plus 3 U1 minus U2 equals to 0. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. This one, okay, you have minus 2U1 equals to U1 minus 3U2. Sama juga, you bring to this side. Then you will have minus 2U1 minus U1 plus 3U2 equals to 0. Sorry, this one U2. U2. Okay, so minus U2 plus U1 is U2 minus U1 equals to 0. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay, this one. Okay, U1 equals to U2. Okay, sama juga. If you set U1 equals to S, then U2 also equals to S. Right. Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, therefore, U1, U2, okay, is equals to, okay, sama juga dengan, U1, U2 sama juga dengan, sama juga dengan,
Satu-satu.
satu S kan?
S. Betul.
Okay. Okay, so now, okay, we compare this part, exponent minus 2x dengan exponent minus 2x here. Okay, so what we have here is U1 minus 2U2. So you have here is U1 minus 2UV minus 2 what? 2V1. Okay. And then dekat bawah dia you have U2 minus 2V2. U2 minus 2V2. Okay. Equals to, okay, this part is minus 3V1 plus V2 minus 6 minus 3V1 minus 3V1 plus V2 minus 6, okay. And then this part is V1 minus 3, V2 plus 2. V1 minus 3, V2 plus 2, okay. This one, okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, so U1 and U2, this one. U1 equals to S, U2 equals to S. Okay, so you gantikan U1 and U2 with S. Okay, then you have S minus 2V1, S minus 2V2 equals to minus 3V1 plus V2 minus 6, V1 minus 3V2 plus 2. Okay. Okay, and this one equals to this one. Okay, so you have S minus 2V1 equals to minus 3V1 plus V2 equals to 6. Sorry, equals to 6 lah. Plus V2 minus 6. Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Yang bahagian bawah ni, you have S minus 2V2 sama juga equals to V1 minus 3V2 plus 2. Okay. Lepas tu, apa you nak buat? Apa you nak buat?
Pindah.
Okay.
Pindahkan dia.
Pindahkan.
Pindahkan kan? So, pindahkan ni ke sini kan? So, you have S minus 2V1 plus 3V1 minus V2, okay, equals to minus 6. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, okay, ni minus 2 plus 3 V1 minus V2 equals to minus S minus 6. Betul?
Betul.
Okay.
Betul.
Yang ini sama juga kan? S minus 2V2 minus V1 plus 3V2 equals to 2. Okay. Ni dengan ni. So V2 minus V1 equals to minus S plus 2. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So, cuba
Betul.
selesaikan. Cuba selesaikan. Cari V1 dengan V2. Cepat. Okay, cepat. Okay, ni, this one. Saya buat sikit nanti you all sambung V1 equals to V2 you bring to this side, it will be V2 plus S minus 6 kan. This equation number 1, this equation number 2. Okay, so put equation number 1 inside equation number 2, then your equation number 2 will be V2, okay, V2 minus V1, V2 plus S minus 6, V2 plus S ke? V2, sorry, V2 this one minus kan? V2
Minus.
minus kan? V2 minus S minus 6, V2 minus S minus 6, okay. Okay, and then equals to S plus 2. Okay. Betul ke? This one equals to minus S plus 2. Okay. So V2 minus V2 minus plus S minus plus 6 equals to minus S plus 2. Betul? Betul ke tak?
Betul.
Betul
Betul.
Jangan tidur So V2 minus V2 cancel kan?
Betul.
Okay. So sekarang kita ada S plus 6 equals to minus S plus 2. Okay. So kita boleh dapat nilai S tak? Boleh kan? So you bring S
Boleh.
to this side. So S minus you bring to this side. Dia jadi plus kan? So S plus S to S equals to this 6 you bring to this side. It will be minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. Then S equals to minus 2. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So S equals to minus 2. You gantikan S equals to minus 2 inside these equations and inside these equations. Okay. This one and this one. Okay. So these equations will be V1 Okay, it will be B1 minus B2 equals to minus S. So minus 2 plus 6. Then it will be minus minus
8.
Positif. 2 tambah 6, 8.
kat mana salah saya? Oh, salah ni. Ni. Ini tolak kan? Minus 6. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
So,
Betul,
minus
betul.
minus positif
Betul,
2
betul.
minus 4 jadi minus 4 minus 6 jadi minus 4. Kan?
Betul.
Betul Okay.
Betul.
Then this equation ni pula dia akan jadi V2 minus V1 equals to minus S. So minus 2 plus 2. So this one minus positif jadi 4. Betul?
Betul.
Betul. Okay. So macam biasa.
Benar, benar.
Benar okay. Then V1 equals to S juga. Kalau tak nak pakai S, pakai benda lain pun tak apa. Kalau dah jemu tengok S kan, boleh pakai benda lain. Okay? So V1 equals to S. Jadi V2 equals to this one. V2 equals to V1 plus 4. Jadi if V1 equals to S, V2 equals to S tambah 4. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okey, doktor.
Okay.
Okay, doktor.
Then, kita tahu nilai S tadi. S tadi nilai berapa? Negatif 2 kan?
Negatif 2.
So, V1 equals to negatif 2. V2 equals to negatif 2 tambah 4 jadi 2.
2.
Okay. Then, okay, kita dah ada nilai V1, V2, U1, U2 pun dah ada. Okay. So, YP. Baru dapat YP. So, YP equals to, tadi YP kita, mana tadi YP kita? So, our YP is this one. Okay. U1x plus V1, U2x plus V2. Okay. Okay. So, this is our YP. Okay. So, now, okay. You all ada kelas tak lepas ni? Ada yang ada kelas tak?
Tak ada.
Ada.
Kelas
Okay.
ni.
So, kita asingkan dulu yang ini. So, you have U1, U2. Okay. You have U1, U2. Okay. X exponent minus 2x. Okay. Sorry. Tak payah, yang ni tak payah keluarkan. Yang ni je. Okay. Okay. Plus with V1, V2. Okay. Exponent minus 2x. Okay. So, U1, U2 you dah ada. V1, V2 pun you dah ada kan? Betul tak? Kan?
Benar.
Okay.
Betul,
So,
doktor.
U1 is, mana tadi U1 awak? Okay, U1 is 1S here. Okay. So, you have here 1, 1. Okay. S times with X. Okay. Plus V1, V2. So, V1 is minus 2. V2 is 2. 2 minus 2. Okay. Exponent minus 2x. Okay. So, S here. S tadi kita dapat berapa?
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
V1 negatif 2.
Oh, terbalik Thank
Terbalik.
you. Okay. Okay. Okay, so S. Tadi kita dah kira S kat sini kan? S equals to minus 2. So you just masukkan minus 2 here. Then it will be 1, 1 minus 2x. Okay. Plus minus 2, 2 exponent minus 2x. Then your YP is, okay, our YP is equals to this one. Okay, our YP is 1 times minus 2 times x. You will have minus 2x, right? Plus with, okay, sorry, plus with minus 2. So minus 2. And then the other one is 1 times minus 2 times x. So minus 2x. Okay, plus with
2.
2. Okay, exponent minus 2x. So this is our YP. This is our YP. And okay, this is our YC. Okay. Okay, so now we can get our general solution Y. Y equals to YC plus YP. Okay, so Y equals to, finally, your Y equals to YC is, kita ambil yang atas ni, C111 exponent minus 2x. Okay. C111 exponent minus 2x plus with C2. Okay. C2, where is C2? C2, 1 minus 1 exponent minus 4x. C2, 1 minus 1 exponent minus 4x plus with YP. YP is this one. Okay, YP is minus 2x minus 2 minus 2x plus 2 exponent minus 2x. Okay, habis.
Alhamdulillah.
Ni berapa
Okey.
markah tu?
Ya, saya.
Ni berapa markah
25 markah.
Ui. Oh.
That's why saya suruh you order dengan betul-betul. Okay, so
Berapa soalan satu
25
kan?
marks.
Satu soalan kan dalam exam kan? Satu kan? Dia bagi satu je kan?
Satu 25 markah. 1/4 daripada 100.
Tak.
Hmm.
Satu soalan ni je ke 25? Yang lain berapa?
Satu soalan 25. Padan dengan jalan kerja dia. You all tengokkan berapa page kan?
Ui.
Habis buku. Mantap.
Tapi selalu doktor dalam exam dia tanya non-homogeneous terus kan? Dia tak ada
Terus
tanya homogeneous.
terus tanya non-homogeneous sebab non-homogeneous you kena tahu homogeneous juga. Macam ni lah.
So math
Ini
exam dia bagi soalan non-homogeneous lah. Tak bagi lah homogeneous.
dia tak bagi sebab nanti you akan guna juga you akan guna juga homogeneous tu untuk dapatkan YC.
Okay.
Ini baru dia bagi yang ni kan linear independence kan. You dah ada you boleh terus pakai je kan, tak payah cari lagi satu file, betul tak? Kan?
Betul.
Betul.
Kalau soalan dia bagi ini equals to 0. Kan you kena tambah lagi step. Okay? Okay. Example 5. Saya terus lajak ke tutorial terus lah Example ni pun saya masuk tutorial lah.
Boleh doktor.
Boleh Okay. So example 5. Cukup tak muka suratnya? 1, 2, 3. Tak cukup ni. Okay, you all try buat dulu sebab dah masuk tutorial kan. So try example 5. Saya bagi 10 minit. 10 minit je. Okay, so ini G1X, this one G2X. Okay. Okay, so to find lambda 1 and lambda 2 is minus 3 minus lambda 1, 2 minus 4 minus lambda, okay, equals to 0. Okay, and minus 3 minus lambda times minus 4 minus lambda minus 1 times 2 equals to 0. Okay, here minus 3 minus 4, 12 minus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda plus lambda square minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, and lambda square minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 lambda 12 minus 2, 10 plus 10 equals to 0. Okay, and then lambda 5, 2 minus. Okay, so lambda minus 5, lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Then lambda 1 equals to 5, lambda 2 equals to 2. Okay, ada soalan tak? Any questions to ask? Salah ni. Lambda, betul lah kan? Betul tak? Lambda, betul tak? Lambda 1 equals to 5, lambda 2 equals to minus 5. Ke salah?
Tambah tu doktor.
Tambah kan? Ni tambah kan? Ni tambah kan?
Benar.
Betul.
Ni tambah ni. Kenapa diam je?
Tambah 7 lambda.
Ni tambah juga kan? Jadi ni minus, ni minus. Jangan tidur Okay. So lambda 1 equals to minus 5, lambda 2 equals to minus 2. Okay. Okay, so now we want to find phi 1 and phi 2. So lambda 1, when lambda 1 equals to minus 5, okay, so you gantikan this lambda with lambda 1. Therefore, you have minus 3 minus 5, so plus 5, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 4 minus lambda, so minus positive, so plus 5, okay, xy equals to 0, okay, so minus 3 plus 5, you have 2, 1, 2, minus 4 plus 1, 1, x, y equals to 0. So you have here 2x plus y equals to 0. Betul? Betul? Okay. Okay, so
Doktor,
x, ya saya.
itu yang 21 tu cross multiply ke macam mana?
Ni, darabkan dengan yang
Oh.
ini. Kan?
Oh, okey.
Okay. So 2x equals to minus y, x equals to minus. Sorry. Apa saya buat ni? Okay, so 2x equals to minus y. Okay, if x equals to s, then y equals to? If x
Y.
equals to s, y equals to?
Negative 2x.
Negative
Negative
2x.
2x.
Okay.
Oh,
Then phi 1 equals to S negative 2S or S negative, oh sorry, betul lah. Betul? Kan? You faktor keluarkan S, then here 1 minus 2. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Okay, so now for lambda equals to minus 2. Lambda 2 equals to minus 2. Then you will have minus 3 minus minus 2, so plus 2, 1, 2 minus 4 minus minus 2 plus 2 equals, times with xy equals to 0. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, okay, x, y equals to 0. Okay, so you times this one with this one, you will get minus x plus y equals to 0. And this one times this one, you will get 2x minus 2y equals to 0. Okay, so y equals to x, right? Betul tak? Y equals to x. This one also 2y equals to x. 2x. Y equals to x juga. Okay, if x equals to s, y equals to s. Okay, then your phi 2 will be 1, 1, s. Betul? Betul? Okay, next you check whether it's linearly independent or not. Okay, so here you have phi 1, here you have phi 2. Okay, what is phi 1? Phi 1 is 1 minus 2. Okay, and phi 2 is 1, 1. Okay, okay, equals to this one times this one. So 1 minus this one times this one minus 2 equals to 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Okay, so this one is not equals to 0. Therefore, it's linearly independent. Betul? Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, so linearly independent.
betul.
Therefore, your YC is equals to C1 phi 1 is 1 minus 2 exponent minus what? Exponent minus 5x. Okay, plus C2 1, 1 exponent minus 2x. So this is our YC. Okay.
Okay, Doktor.
Okay. So now we want to find YP. Okay. So YP. Okay. YP. Okay. Based on your G. This G. Sorry. Saya salah. Sorry. Jauhnya melancong. Mana kita punya G? Betul tak? Ke salah? Betul lah. This G. Okay.
Doktor, minta uh, minta doktor scroll yang masa pi 1 dengan pi 2
Pi 1, pi 2. Ni ke?
kanan.
Ni.
Kiranya yang ni boleh cross multiply lah. Kalau yang masa nak darab XY tu tak boleh
Tak boleh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay dah.
Okay. So our YP is depends on G. Okay, so tengok G. Apa yang ada dekat G?
Eksponen.
Dengan
X.
Polinomial. So you ada dua. Kan? You have two. Exponent and polynomial. G, okay, is X and exponent minus X. Okay, kalau you susun, you akan dapat exponent is 0, 1, exponent minus X plus 1, 0, X. Betul tak? Sama tak dengan ni?
Sama.
Sama kan? Okay, so our YP, okay, will be based on these two. Exponent and X. Okay, kalau exponent, okay, if exponent, then your YP will be U1, U2, exponent minus X. Betul? Betul? Plus with, okay, this polynomial. Polynomial, you tengok dekat, tadi YP. Okay, polynomial. Okay, kita ada X. Therefore, your YP will be U1X plus B1, U2X plus B2. Okay? Okay, since we already used U1 and U2, then this part is kita pakai V1X plus W1, V2X plus W2, YP. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, you compare YP and YC. Okay, sama tak patternnya?
Tak.
Tak sama kan?
Tidak.
Okay, tak sama, then kita boleh terus pakai this YP. Okay, so bila kita nak pakai YP ni, kita kena differentiate dia. So, YP prime equals to, okay, differentiate this one. Differentiate U1 exponent ni, you dapat balik yang ini kan? So, you have U1, U2, exponent minus X, right? Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Okay, plus
So,
with, you differentiate this one. You will get V1, V2, right?
alright.
Okay, so now, okay, we have to compare this YP prime with, kita kena comparekan YP prime with Y prime. The original Y prime yang kat sini. Okay, so kita salin balik equation ni. So here we have Y prime equals to AY plus G. Okay, so Y, sebab kita nak comparekan dengan YP prime, therefore this one will be YP. Okay, so YP prime is this one. Okay, YP prime equals to AYP plus G from here to here. Okay, so YP prime is U1, U2, exponent minus X, okay, plus with V1, V2 equals to A. So what is A? A is this one, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 4. Salah ni, minus 2, minus 4. 2, minus 4. 2 minus 4, okay, times with YP. So YP is this one. Okay, okay. Okay, so YP is, dia panjang sikit kat sini. U1, U2, exponent minus X, okay, plus with, okay. Kita asingkan X dengan yang tak ada X So V1, V2 X plus with W1, W2, okay, plus with G. G kita pakai yang ini, this one, okay. 0, 1 exponent minus X plus 1, 0 X, okay. This one is G, this one is YP, okay. Okay,
Okay, Doktor.
okay. Okay, so kita kembangkan satu-satu. Saya pakai color lain pula Satu-satu This one A times with this one first, and then second this one, third this one. Okay, so kita darab ni dengan ni. So you will have equals to, okay, equals to this one times this one. So you will have minus 3U1 plus U2, okay, and then this one times this one, 2U1 minus 4U2, okay, exponent minus X, okay, plus with, okay, sama juga, this one times this one, so you have minus 3V1 plus V2, and then you have 2V1 minus 4V2 X, okay, plus with this one times this one, okay, minus 3W1 plus W2, 2W1 minus 4W2, okay, okay, plus with this one, 0, 1, exponent minus X plus 1, 0, X, okay. Okay, so equals to, kita susun eksponen dengan eksponen. Okay, so you have minus 3U1 plus U2 plus 0. Okay, bawah ni 2U1 minus 4U2 plus 1. Exponent minus X plus with, okay, X and X here. So minus 3V1 plus V2 plus 1, 2V1 minus 4V2, this one 0, okay, X, okay, minus 3W1 plus W2, 2W1 minus 4W2. Okay. Okay?
Okay, Doktor.
Okay, so yang ini saya turun bawah kat sini Saya tulis balik kat sini. Okay, this one U1, U2 exponent minus 3. U1, U2 exponent minus X. Okay, plus V1, V2. Okay, equals to this one. And then you can equating this equation. Awak boleh samakan dia punya ni. Exponent here dengan exponent here. This one yang tak ada. X, okay, X dengan yang kat sini dia kosong. Okay, so buat ni comparekan dengan ni. Okay, so U1, U2, okay, equals to negative 3, U1 plus U2, 2U1 minus 4U2 plus 1. Okay, so this one equals to this one. U1 equals to minus 3U1 plus U2. Okay, so bring all this to this side. Then you will have, what akan ada?
4U1. 4U.
Oh, salah kat sini. Sini kita differentiate, kita dapat negatif, betul tak? Sebab sini negatif. Betul?
Betul.
Betul kan?
Betul.
So sini negatif. So sini negatif. 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 So sini negatif. Okay. So if you bring to this side, dia akan jadi minus 3. Pergi sini jadi plus 3. Plus 3 minus 1. Jadi 2U1 plus U2 equals to 0. Kan? Betul?
Betul.
Okay, yang sebelah bawah ni dia akan jadi minus U2 equals to 2U1 minus 4U2 minus 4U2 plus 1. Okay, so dia akan jadi, you bring all together to this side. Okay, minus 4 bring here jadi 3, plus 4 plus 4 minus ni 3U2 minus 2U1 equals to 1. Betul? Kan?
Betul.
Okay. So ini untuk eksponen. Okay. Okay, kalau untuk, okay, then selesaikanlah. Selesaikan yang ini. U2 equals to minus 2U1. Okay, equation number 1. Equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 1 inside equation number 2. Then 3U2 is minus 2U1 minus 2U1 equals to 1. 3 times this one minus 6U1 minus 6U1 minus 2U1 equals to 1. Minus 8. Macam salah je ni. Saya salah kat mana?
Dekat equation 1 tu doktor.
Question 1 saya salah
Yang 2U1 katanya tolak U2.
Kalau itu sini kan tolak U2 kan? Okay, thank you Tolak U2. Okay, so U2 equals to U1 kan? Dia tak ada negatif kan? Betul? Kan? So 3 times 2 minus ni, so 6 minus ni. Jadi 4U1 equals to 1. U1 equals to 1 over 4. Kan? Then U2 equals to 2 times 1 over 4. Jadi 1 over 2. So U1 1 over 4, U2 1 over 2. Okay? So kita dah dapat U1 dengan U2. Okay? So now we want to find V1 and V2 pula. Okay? Kita tengok dekat X. Yang ini faham tak? Yang U1, U2 ni.
Faham.
Faham
Faham.
Tengok dekat X. Okay, so sini X. Sini X tak ada kan? Ada X tak dekat sebelah kiri? Tak ada kan? No X kat sini. So, minus 3V minus 3V1 plus V2 plus 1 plus V2 plus 1 2V1 minus 4V2 2V1 minus 4V2 equals to 0. Betul? Kan? Sebelah sini tak ada yang ada X.
Betul.
Okay, so equals to 0. So now you have 3v1 plus v2 plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so okay, tak payah lagi. Okay, then yang kedua you ada 2v1 minus 4v2 equals to 0. v1 equals to 2v2, betul? Equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation number 1 you put inside equation number 2. Then you have 3 times 2v2 plus v2 plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Macam salah lagi je. Okay, sini minus. Sini minus. Okay. So minus 6 v2 plus v2 equals to minus 1. Okay. Satu ni kita bawa ke sini kan. Okay, so minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 v2 equals to minus 1. v2 equals to 1 over 5. Okay. And v1 equals to 2 times 1 over 5 equals to 2 over 5. Okay, so we have v1, we also have v2. Okay, so now we want to find w. Okay, ada soalan tak yang ini? Ada soalan?
Tak ada, Doktor.
Tak ada. Okay, so now this one, okay, equals to v1. Sorry, betul lah, equals to v1. Okay, so minus 3w1 minus 3w1 plus w2. Okay, and then 2w1 minus 4w2, okay, equals to v1 v2 here. Okay, okay, so what is v1 v2? v1 v2 is 2 over 5 1 over 5. Okay, yang kita dapat dekat sini. Okay, so macam biasa, okay, minus 3w1 plus w2 equals to 2 over 5. Okay. Okay. And w2 equals to 2 over 5 plus 3w1, question number 1. Okay. And this one, 2w1 minus 4w1 equals to 1 over 5, question number 2. Okay, you put equation number 1 inside equation number 2. Therefore, 2w1 minus 4. Baik, kejap. Kenapa dua w1? 4w2. Okay. 4 times w2 is 2 over 5 plus 3w1. Okay, equals to 1 over 5. Okay. Okay, then. Okay, kejap Tak cukup kertas, saya tambah kertas sekejap. Okay, mana tadi? Okay, so we have here 2w1. Okay, minus this one times this one minus 8 over 5 minus 12w1 equals to 1 over 5. So 2w1 minus 12 minus 10w1 equals to 1 over 5 plus 8 over 5. Okay. Then minus 10w1 equals to 9 over 5. Then W1 equals to minus what? Minus 9 over 5 times 1 over 10 equals to minus 9 over 50. Okay, this one W1. And W2 is equals to, okay, 2 over 5 plus 3 W1. So W1 is minus 9 over 50. Okay, replace inside this one. So 2 over 5 plus 3. Okay, sorry. Minus 9 over 50. Okay, so equals to 2 over 5 minus 27 over 50. Okay, this one over 50 times 10, 20 minus 27 minus 7 over 50. Okay, so W2 is minus 7 over 50. W1 is minus 9 over 50. Okay, then kita masukkan dalam equation mana tadi? YP. So our YP will be, okay, YP is equals to U1, U2 exponent minus X. So what is U1? U1 is 1 over 4, U2 is 1 over 2. So YP is 1 over 4, 1 over 2, exponent minus X plus with V1X plus W1. So V1 is 2 over 5. So 2 over 5x plus W1 minus 9 over 50. V2 is 1 over 5. So 1 over 5x minus 7 over 50. So this is our YP. Okay. Then our Y equals to, okay, YC plus YP. So what is YC? Mana YC tu? YC is C1 here. C1, 1 minus 2. C1, 1 minus 2. Exponent minus 5x. Okay, plus C2. Okay, 1, 1. Exponent minus 2x. Plus with this one. 1 over 4, 1 over 2. Exponent minus x. Plus with 2 over 5x minus 9 over 50. Okay, 1 over 5x minus 7 over 50. Ha, ini kita baru dapat dia punya general solution dia. Okay.
Okay, Doktor.
Okay,
Okay.
Doktor.
Okay, so next, okay, we have to find the constant because diberi initial condition. Okay, when x 0, y equals to 0. Okay. Okay, so when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Okay, so both y equals to 0. Okay, y1 and y2. Okay, so C1, okay, exponent 0 plus C2 exponent 0 plus 1 over 4 exponent 0, okay, minus 9 over 50 equals to 0. Okay, so this one 1, 1, 1. So C1 plus C2, okay, equals to 9 over 50 minus 1 over 4 equals to, cuba tekan kalkulator sama juga dengan berapa? 9 per 50 tolak 1 per 4.
Negatif 7/100.
Okay, this is Y1. Okay, for Y2 is, okay, minus C2 exponent 0 plus C1. Minus 2 C1 exponent 0, C2 exponent 0 plus 1 over 2 exponent 0 minus 7 over 50 equals to 0. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so you have minus 2C1 plus C2 equals to 7 over 50 minus 1 over 2. So equals to berapa? 7 over 50 minus 1 over 2.
Negatif 9/25.
Okay, so C1 equals to minus 7 over 100 plus C2. Okay, equation number 1. Equation number 2. Then you gantikan masuk here. So you have minus 2 minus 7 over 100 plus C2. Okay, plus C2 equals to minus 9 over 25. So this one will be 50, 14 over, sorry, 7 over 50 minus 2C2 plus C2 equals to minus 9 over 25. Therefore, minus C2 equals to minus 9 over 25 plus 7 over 50 equals to, so C2 equals to berapa? C2 equals to
Betul, yang tu 2 ke 7?
7.
7 eh?
Hmm.
Dapat negatif 11/50.
11/5. Apa tak sama?
Yang tu negatif 9/25 eh?
Betul kan? Negatif 9/25 ke lain?
Sekejap.
7/50.
Betul, negatif 9/25.
Negatif 9/25. Negatif 9/25. Negatif 9/25 tambah 7/50. Tambah ke tolak?
Bukan tolak ke
Tolak.
sebab
Tolak ha, tolak. Petang-petang ni.
masa
Okey.
tidur
Itulah tolak 7/25. Tengok. Tolak 7/50.
dapat negatif 1/2.
Negatif
1/2.
1/2. So, C2 sama juga dengan 1/2, betul? Sini negatif ni. Negatif jadi 1/2.
Betul.
Betul kan? Okey. Gantikan masuk ni kat sini. So, C1 equals to minus 7 over 100 plus 1 over 2. So, sama juga dengan berapa?
(43/100).
Berapa?
43/100.
Kenapa tak dapat sama
Tengok.
Salah dekat mana? Saya tak ada kalkulator lah pula.
Doktor,
Betul saya.
yang C2 tu
Ah,
kan C1 plus C2. C2 pindah sana bukan jadi negatif ke?
benda. Di sini
Hmm.
jadi negatif. Betul. Jadi negatif. So salah lah ni kan? So buat balik lah ni. Betul lah negatif. Okey, kejap saya padam. Okey, negatif. Negatif kan? Ni,
Negatif.
negatif kan? So, sini kena negatif. Negatif. Okey, buat balik Ni darab ni dapat 7/50 tambah 2C2 tambah C2 sama negatif 9/25. Okey, 2 tambah 1, 3C2 sama juga negatif 9/25 tolak 7/50. So sama juga dengan, jadi berapa tadi kita kira? 1/2 kan tadi kan? Negatif 1/2. Okey.
Negatif 1/2.
So C2 sama juga dengan 3 bawa ke sini negatif 1/6. Kan? So C2 negatif 1/6. So tolak 1/6. So negatif 7/10. 7/100. Tolak tambah 1/6. Kira. Tak cukup lagi lah pula.
29/300.
29/300. Ni baru betul. Okey, cuba bayangkan kalau you all yang jawab test, you salah tanda kat sini je. Kan jawapannya dah lain. Betul? Jadi jangan
Menangis
salah.
doktor.
Okey? Okey, so dah dapat C1, C2, you masukkan dalam equation ni. C1 berapa, C2 berapa. Dah selesai. Okey?
Salah start daripada mana? Silap.
Ya.
Silap. Buka mic lah.
Okey. Okey, faham? Faham?
Faham doktor. Faham.
Ini untuk chapter 3 you kena banyak practice. Okay, so practice make perfect. Remember, jangan salah tanda, bawa sini salah tanda, nanti jawapan awak lain. Bila jawapan lain, dia akan effect semua. Okay, especially yang dekat sini. Dekat sini kan? Dekat sini. Banyak tanda-tanda ni, okay. You differentiate ni dapat negatif, kalau you tak perasan, nanti you akan, jawapan awak semua salah. Okay, so make sure you step by step tu kena betul. Okay?
Okay, doktor.
Okay, boleh
Boleh.
Boleh. Kena banyak buat latihan
Okay.
Okay. So, kita jumpa kalau siapa yang free boleh join tutorial hari Selasa ni. Okay. So, saya akan bincang sedikitlah soalan tutorial untuk chapter 3 ni. Okay. Tak banyaklah, sikit je.
Boleh.
Okay. Untuk yang ni, you banyak kena practice saja. Okay. Ada soalan tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okay, kalau tak ada, saya rasa saya stop dekat sini lah kot.
Boleh.
Sebab saya pun dah banyak tersasul dah ni. Okay. Okay, boleh
Boleh.
Boleh dah.
Boleh doktor.
Okay, so jumpa hari Selasa bagi yang free. Kalau tak free, jumpa hari Ahad. Tapi hari Ahad tu saya dah start dengan chapter 4. Okay, last chapter kita chapter 4 which is Laplace transform. Okay. Okay, so jumpa minggu depan. Okay. So jumpa minggu depan, saya bersiaran daripada Terengganu
Okey doktor, okey.
Okay.
Thank you, Doktor.
Okay, thank
Terima kasih,
you.
Doktor.
Sama.